little friends! Welcome to Kids World! Haha! Why do you love Pakistan so much? Because Pakistan is our home. We should love it and take care of it. Look at all the flags, Ali! Wow, it looks so beautiful! And now, please welcome Ahmad to the stage. We should love our country, work hard, help others, and do our part to make Pakistan a better place.
Make a promise for your country.
I promise to keep my surroundings clean. I promise to study hard and become a responsible citizen. We love Pakistan! May Pakistan always be peaceful, happy, and successful. Pakistan Zindabad!